In WordPress, posts come with categories and tags by default, but pages normally don't have this kind of option. What if you could enable the categories and tags for your page with just one toggle? In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to do that easily. To enable categories and tags for your page, we will use a plugin called Minify. Log into the admin panel, go to the plugins, then add new. Here in the search box, check with Minify, install and activate the plugin. After activation, go to Minify, then admin. Here you will find a setting called enable the page category tag. Simply turn on the toggle and click save. Done. Now, when you go to the page in WordPress, you will see categories and tags directly inside the page editor. It works just like a normal WordPress post, so you can organize your pages more easily using categories and tags. And that's how you can enable categories and tags for WordPress pages with a single toggle. If this tutorial helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and check out for more WordPress tutorial.